How to create Word document in mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can make Word document in mobile. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you must have a reliable application to create a Word document. So one of the must use or one of the reliable application that will help you make a Word document is Microsoft 365. If you don't have the application yet, you can install it from the Google Play Store. Open a Play Store, search for Microsoft 365 and install it in your device. Once you have installed it, you can open up the application. After you open it up, you have to sign into your account. Log in with your Microsoft account and head towards the bottom of this interface. There you will find an option as Create. Tap on Create. Here you have to select Word, so tap on Word. Now, you can either create a Word document using a blank document, or there are several templates available as well. If you want to go with the templates, you can choose from there, or you can start with a blank document. Or you can also start by capturing a photo, importing a photo, or dictating. So here, let's start with a blank document. Tap on blank document. Now you can create your document here. You can type in the text for your document. You can use various styles, that is bold, italic, or you can also use the underline. If you tap on this drop down, here you have more options. You can highlight your text, you can change the font color, there is more option for formatting, and you can add bullets also in your text. There are various options for your text alignment. You can use that as well. If you want to use different styles, tap on styles and you can choose various font style as well. So once you're done typing in your text or creating your document, in order to save it, tap on the three dot at the top right, and here you can tap on Save As, select your location, and you can save your document. So in this way, you can create or make a Word document in your mobile device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.